Hello, hello, hello. I'm going for a walk. It's just gorgeous today. The weather's getting cold. So I said to myself, let me do this walking. Yeah, it's still, more snow is coming as it's snowing at the moment. Little tiny bits. And it's gonna get colder, so who knows when it's gonna get warm again. It's I believe -3 at the moment. See, the roads are icy. It did melt a lot, but yeah. You know how much sound they make when they're trying to clear these roads? It's unbelievable. Yeah, so I just wanted to pop and say hello and have a great day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting. Bye-bye.